So hey guys, welcome to my channel Reven Risk, and in today's video we're gonna do our day 33, I believe. So yesterday we've done day 32, and let me just quickly go into the YouTube channel to kind of see where we're at as of now. Right, so we're at day 30. We're at day 33 today. So yesterday we've learned about ATR and seen about trade setups, and before that we've looked at some RSI and Python scripts. And today what we're going to do is we are going to take some trades and make use of our new strategy. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to go into trading view here. So as you can see, I've got two charts open up. The first one, I'm going to remove all the drawings. So we're going to take a few trades in the let's actually go into USD/JPY. So let's use USD/JPY to take a few trades today. So let me reset the chart view real quick, and so in this as well, let me reset the chart view. Okay, so I've got the exponential moving average indicators over here. So it's going to the 5 minutes time frame. So I've got the exponential moving average indicators over here. And I will be using the ATR and the RSI indicators in this chart. So let's quickly add them up. So RSI and the ATR. Now I don't feel like using ATR because I just feel like it's just gonna be a waste of time. But yeah, okay, so let's see what's gonna happen. So as of now, let's go into the weekly time frame and start analyzing top down. So I'm going to use this to analyze. So in the weekly time frame, the price seems to be going up. There was this low here, which is kind of confusing, but yes, the price seems to be going up. But over here, as you can see, it's just kind of made a higher high, higher low. So it seems bullish, but I have a doubt, or have an uncertainty that it's going to go down again. So because of that, you see there is this like thing over here where there's a lower low here, which is pretty much confusing. So let's go into the daily time frame to figure out whether we're right or wrong. In the daily time frame, again, it is bullish in structure. So yeah, let's go into the 4 hours time frame. It is again bullish in structure. Let's go into the 1 hour time frame. It is bullish in structure. Going into the 15 minutes time frame, it is bullish in structure. And yeah, pretty much we're going to take long positions only. So let's go into our other indicators. So as you can see, the RSI here, I don't want to be having that. So it is above 50, so it's about 60.9 and it's about 61. So since the RSI is about 61, we are going to take long position. And looking at this is at a strong buy, so we're going to take long positions. Now there's a lot of indicators which tell us we're only going to take long positions, and so we are going to stick to our 1 minute time frame and only be taking long positions. Now let's quickly, before this progresses, let's focus on our 4 hours time frame to figure out any important key areas. Now I want to make a trend line real quick, so let's use the trend line tool, which is this. So yeah, well, it's been long since I've actually used a magic trend line, but we're gonna use it today for sure. So we've got our areas of interest marked up already. So let's kind of figure out any other important zones in here. So there is this huge bearish candle, so maybe that could be a pretty important zone already, which has been converted into a supply zone. Maybe it's bouncing off that zone overall, so maybe I could kind of get it down in there. And yeah, well, I don't see anything that much important. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see if there is anything more kind of important in that. So I want to pull this down to about that level, this down to that level. Okay, so it's pretty good. Again, we have another huge bullish candle over there. We're not going to consider that because we've been having long bullish candles, so we've just considered all of this together in this zone already. Going into the okay, actually, let's kind of see if the price hit that high. Okay, it is going up. So going to the 15 minutes time frame, let's reset our chart view and see what's actually happening here. So seems like the market is going up. It's going down here. It's pretty much gonna have this upward movement from over here. So I'm pretty sure it should be good. Let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. As you can see, it is going down here, but it should be turning up. As soon as that happens, we're going to take our stop loss down to about that level and our take profits up to about that level, so that we can have a bit more consolidation for price ranges. Okay, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame, and all right, so that's pretty good. This is going to be our structure for our trade. So let's kind of wait until we go even more lower, and yeah, well, I just expect the market to go more lower as such and then go up. But if you actually look over here, there has been a shift in structure. Maybe it could be something as such. So the price potentially just had a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and it's making a low again. We don't know if it's going to be lower. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for the price to okay, so seems pretty confusing. Let's go into our 1 hour time frame to see how the chart is doing. Okay, so there's one thing which is really important to worth of noting, that the price did reach almost to that level, and this is a strong demand zone, you could say. Sorry, a strong supply zone. This is a strong demand zone. So maybe the price is hitting that and going down already. As you can see, this has repeated over the previous range as well. So maybe that is what's happening. And maybe I should take only short positions as of now. So what I'm going to do is, I wouldn't be taking a trade here. All I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the price to go down to that point and hit up. So we're only going to take a trade in that situation. So we're not going to take any trade here. Let's go into the EUR-JPY chart. Again, I don't like trading in this, so let's go back to EUR-USD and see what's actually happening. So going about the chart here. Okay, so I think I should be ending this trade already. So actually, if you see here, if I zoom out, the price is kind of consolidating around that area since the past few days. I think it's not going to be worth it to take the risk. So yeah, I'll be ending this trade now. Let's do that. Let's end this trade. Close the position. All right, so well, I'm good. So our account balance is at 155.51, which is pretty good. Let's actually look at some more time frames. So over the weekly time frame, the price seems to be going down. The daily time frame, the price seems to be going down, but again, let's kind of zoom out. So yeah, it's going down. Going to the 4 hours time frame, the price seems to be going down, but unfortunately it's hitting this level where the price seems to be, I don't know, maybe hitting up. So maybe this could be a strong little zone here. So I think of it that way. Again, let's go into our 1 hour time frame and kind of see what's happening. As you can see, the price is making a higher high, and I'm pretty sure that it should start going up after all. Even though it's bearish in that, I'm pretty sure it should be going up. So going to the 15 minutes time frame, it would be bullish in structure for sure. It is bearish as of now, but it will be turning bullish, I'm pretty sure of that. And as you can see, yes, in the 5 minutes time frame, you can see it's pretty much consolidating around there. The 1 minute time frame, again, you can see it is going bullish in structure, and that is like the most insane part. So just because of our top-down analysis, we kind of figured out what's happening around here. So what I'm going to do is I would wait for the price to go up to a certain level. So I'm gonna make a horizontal ray. Let's say I'm gonna wait for the price to go about that level, around there. And so once the price touches that level, I'm pretty sure it should be coming down. So as soon as that happens, we're going to take our trade. We're going to wait for the price to go down, so we'll be taking short positions. Going to the 50 minutes time frame. All right, so yeah, well, we're just going to wait for the price to hit that level, or maybe more than that, and turn bearish, and then we'll be taking trades. And because of that, we're going to have our we're going to have more confidence in the trades, which means more profit, more win percentage, which is what we're looking for. And looking at the AUD USD chart, as you can see here, we've already taken a trade, and I choose to just stick to that trade, not do too much. So I'm just gonna wait in here, just wait for the price to go up, and let's actually go into our 4 hours time frame to see what's actually happening here. The price is going down after all, but it's going up again. So in the weekly time frame, it is consolidating a lot, but I'm pretty sure that now that it's hit this level, which is like, a strong, you could say a strong demand zone, or a strong support level, it should be going up. So I can pretty much take a trade over here with my take profits up there. Again, I've already taken a trade as such, so I don't want to disturb that. I'm going to leave it as it is and hope for the best. So yeah, well, we're going to take a trade in EUR USD as soon as the price goes up from there. So let's go into our 50 minutes time frame. So yeah, here it is. So we're going to wait for the price to go up to at least this level or that level and make a bearish turn, and then we'll be taking trades. About the USD JPY chart, we'll be waiting for the price to to hit down. So it hit that level and it is making bearish structure. So we're going to wait for the price to hit this level and go up again. So yeah. Also, it could actually break through. So it could actually do that. So we don't know. So what I'm going to do is I would be actually... okay, so I'll take a trade of $1. Actually, I think that's better because it's just minimal risk and that's literally so low. So I'm going to take $1 with our stop loss about that and our take profit over there. So let's see if it actually works out. I can keep my take profit over there, and let's actually make a trade here. It's pretty interesting the way taking a trade. So let's go into our market, and I'm going to risk of $1, have our take profit at about that level, and our stop loss around that level, and our risk of $1, and let's hit sell and see if it works well. Okay, so taking a trade here, let's see if it goes down to that point. We would make $3 or lose $1. I should have actually put $2 on the line. So you know what? Let's actually put $2. And you know what? I'm just going to leave it as it is. Don't want to risk too much. Okay, that's just a trade which we've taken based off our analysis, and let's just wait to see if the price goes even more lower. This seems to be going pretty well, so we could have taken a trade here, but unfortunately we haven't figured it out. So in AUD USD, we already have a trade set up. So yeah, just wait and watch what's going to happen. So I'll see you guys if there's any change in these trades. So yeah, see you there. So guys, with the EUR USD chart, I just figured out the price is actually turning upwards. So it was actually bearish, but then it was consolidating, and it's probably going to turn bullish in structure. That's what I think it would. So what I'm going to do is I would actually take a trade in this time frame with my take profits at about a level which is the previous high, which is that level. So I'll be having a long trade here. I think that's the best thing to do in this case. So I'd have my stop loss about that level and my take profits. I can go all the way up to there or even go stay up here. And let's actually go to the 15 minutes time frame to actually see if it's worth it. So actually I can put my stop loss over there, my take profit at about that level. I think that should be good as well. So yeah, well, I'm gonna take a trade as such. Actually I can put my stop loss under this level or maybe a bit more lower than that, and let me take a trade quickly with a $5 risk. So let's click on that, copy price. That's going to be the take profit. That's going to be our stop loss. It's going to be our buy. And I'm going to risk $5. Let's hit buy. Okay, pretty good. So if you're taking a trade here, $5. I'm not too sure if I've done the right thing here, but yeah, hopefully it would reach that level. It's a 1:2.49 risk reward ratio, and to be precise, it is about a 2.19 risk reward ratio. It's not that bad, at least not. It's better than having 1:1 risk reward ratio. Yeah, hopefully it would turn out good. The USD JPY chart seems like the price would occur. Okay, it should go down. You know what, I'm gonna take another trade with some more. I should have taken a trade with a risk of $2 actually. That would have been so much better. But yes, okay, I think that is it for the trade which you've taken. So we've taken 2 trades today. Let's see how it turns out to be. So again, I'll be taking a long-term trade as well. We'll actually see if we can use any other forex pairs to kind of see if it works or not. All right, so I'll see you when there's any more trades which I take, or if there's any other update. So see you there. Right, so we're looking at our USD JPY chart. It is evening 7:03 p.m. And the day is almost passed by. So the USD JPY chart is going pretty well as we wanted it to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this trade because there's not too much profits. It's just a $1, half a dollar difference. So I've just ended that trade. And we've got an account balance of 157.04. And when we look at our EUR USD chart, the price is kind of consolidating a bit. It's not consolidating, it is going up, but there was this huge up and a huge down candle, a huge bearish and a huge bullish. But I'm pretty sure it should be going up after all, or maybe not. Maybe it's not gonna go up as we've expected it to at the beginning when we were taking the long-term trade, sorry. And so yeah, well, let's just see how this goes. And about the AUD USD chart, the price is again going up and down a lot. So as you can see here, it's still going down, it's going up. It's probably gonna hit that and start doing that. So probably just, that would happen. I'm pretty sure that would, but let's hope for it to happen. Anyways, that's it guys for today. We've taken 2 trades, so it's just 2 trades, and as discussed in the previous video, we thought of taking more trades, but unfortunately they were in good positions. So tomorrow when we start our trading, I would be having more trades in the thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have more trades, more charts to deal with. So we're gonna add USD, GBP as well, and various more forex pairs to work on. And yeah, well, that's it guys for today. We've hit out with a profit today. It's pretty good. Our equity is at 155.83 excluding the thing, but our account balance is at 157.07. so I'm pretty sure we should be hitting that. We had that 50% profit already. And yeah, well, that's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we're gonna have our day 34, I believe.